My name is Neve and I'm from Ireland.
Very lovely name.
Thank you.
How old are you, Neve?
I'm 17 years old.
She'll like this. When she gets the camera all back, she'll like this.
Have you brought anyone with you today?
Yeah, my mom is in the audience somewhere. Don't know where, but...
Do you think you can win?
I mean, I would love to. It'd be absolutely amazing. I think the harp's really unique, so hopefully.
All right, well, we are with you. Go for it.
Thank you.
Holy waters watered down.
Oh, and she sings.
This town lost its faith. My colors will fade eventually. So if time is running out, day after day, we'll make the mundane our masterpiece. Oh my. Up in the clouds are jealous, no, we found. I'll take my pride, standing for you. No, I'm not lying, saying it through. You take my life just for the thrill. I'll take tonight.
Thank you.
Oh, Neve. What a special girl.
Okay, son?
When you started singing, I was like, oh my, you've got an angelic instrument, an angelic voice. Combining that together was just perfect.
Your voice is really special. And you're very unique. This is not an act that we see all the time. It was heavenly.
Thank you.
You have a really sort of clean, clear voice. And I'm not going to lie, I do love a harp, but I was so relieved when you started singing as well. Your whole presence, it was beautifully, quietly confident. And you did a really, really lovely audition.
Thank you.
Simon.
You've got an amazing voice. I mean, some people are just born with great voices, and you have that. And the version I thought of the song was sensational.
Oh, thank you so much.
Seriously sensational.
It's made you like the harp a little bit more.
Yes. Better than some of the acts we saw earlier.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Well done. I'm going to kick this off with a yes.
Thank you.
It's a yes.
Oh, thank you.
It's a yes from me.
4 yeses.
Thank you so much.